Each aircraft slider out to the left. This is the slate. Blades charity partner, the RAF Development Fund, have worked with the team for over 8 years now. The fund is a leading welfare charity of the RAF and provides assistance and support to any member of the RAF family. Please see their website at rafbf.org. Which makes them perfect for aerobatics. They have a wingspan of 8 metres with the aileron spanning the width of the wing, which results in rapid rotations like you've just seen.
It's some quite challenging conditions, but they're not quite done yet for their part in the flying programme. As you will have seen, we got Boeing B-17G Flying Fortress Sally B started up in good order, and here it is rolling. See is a unique formation for this weekend, with the blades joining onto the wings of the B-17 for a flypast, saluting these two very fine British airshow acts. Here come then the B-17 and the blades. Their lives while operating in the European theatre during World War II. This their show act that certainly we very much hope will continue to inspire us for many decades to come. Excellent, well that's not something we've seen before. The B-17 surrounded by 4 extra EA-300s. May 1942 that B-17s began to deploy into Europe with the US Army Air Forces. But they weren't B-17s like this. This is a late war G model. These earlier examples were B-17Es. They began entering service here with the 97th Bomb Group. The hope at that point was that the heavily armed B-17s wouldn't need fighter escorts for the entire duration of their missions. That hope was soon proved wrong. Rouen in France, on the 17th of August 1942, escort was provided on that occasion by RAF Spitfires. Of course, quite apart from improvements to the B-17 itself, such as those that brought about this definitive G model with a gun turret under the chin of the aircraft's nose, different waist gun positions, improved engines and so forth, it was the provision of better escort fighters, the likes of the P-47 Thunderbolts, and especially the P-51 Mustang we saw earlier, that really helped protect these aircraft on their daylight raids into occupied Europe. Sorties against German industrial targets and transport and resupply networks. This is part of the wider Allied combined bombing offensive alongside Royal Air Force Fighter Command. Even as losses of the heavy bombers, the B-17s and the B-24 Liberators decreased as the Allies gained air superiority, there were still many dangers for the crews of the daylight bombers, notably the effects of flak even on the legendarily tough airframe of the B-17. It's all of those operations that Sally B pays tribute to, and it's to the members of the Sally B Supporters Club, whose memberships help keep this aircraft flying, that we pay tribute with the final parts of this display by Sally B. Sally B Supporters Club here at Duxford this weekend by going to the team's stand in front of where the B-17 was parked earlier on the flight line